What's up, everybody? In this video, I've got something very cool for you. I've got a trifecta of unboxings. That's right, not just one box, guys, not just two boxes. I've got 3 unboxings here, all from the Never Ending Coin Club. If you're not familiar with these guys, they're a monthly coin, silver, gold subscription box. They send all sorts of fun stuff to your door every single month. They've got 7 different packages to choose from. And today we're looking at the beginner, the basic, and the silver box. I've been with these guys now for about 3 months. I'd actually started to check out the silver box. They sent me 3 months to review them, check them out, show you guys what's going on with them. And so far, I like what I'm seeing. And I liked it so much that I went ahead and signed up for the basic and the beginner boxes. So in this video, we're cracking all 3 of these open. So you better get yourself something cold to drink. Buckle up, guys. Let's do it. All right, we got all these boxes out. Now, here's what I want to just point out right out of the gate. Like I said, I've got multiple subscriptions from these guys, and I don't know which of these boxes is which. No indicators on the boxes to let you know if it's the beginner, the basic, the silver, the gold. That is one thing that I don't like because, you know, I like to do these unboxings and I don't know really what's in them. But maybe it doesn't bother you because, you know, you don't really care. You're opening it all up. But just for me, for my sake, you know, just because I like to show you guys what's in the boxes, I like to kind of know what we're getting into first. But that aside, I mean, take a look at the box. I mean, I personally love the look of the box. It's got that natural wood tone. It's cardboard, of course, but it looks cool. It reminds me of like a cigar box, which is what I keep my silver and gold in anyway. So we're going to start with this one just because that's the one that I'm holding, and we'll keep these guys back here for now. Open this up. We got all this cool stuff. So what we'll do, we'll leave that in there. We'll just kind of poke through it and see what we can find. So the first thing we got here is an ancient Roman uncleaned coin. Wow. So this is very, very cool. It's a little dirty. It's hard to make out what exactly the piece is, but I mean, it's from ancient Rome. I wish I knew when in ancient Rome. I wish I had a little bit more context of maybe the year or just something, because to me this just looks like I don't know, like a piece of wood, like an old petrified piece of wood, I guess. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys, it's still a piece of history. I'm a history nerd, but I don't know anything more about just an ancient Roman coin. So that's that kind of bugs me a little bit. What else we got in here? We got a PCGS PR69 Deep Cameo. There we go. Nice 1977. All right, so what else we got in here? Let's see. We got, looks like our gram of silver. So this one is the Statue of Liberty, 1 gram, 999 fine. Always like getting silver. All right, we can get rid of some of this fun stuff here. See what else we got down in the box. All right, looks like we got a silver dime, perhaps. Let's see. Yep, we got a 1953 little rosy dime. Interesting. Normally what they do is they put these in the flips like this, and just because of shipping, I'm guessing it like slid out or whatever. It's not a numismatic coin, so, you know, I don't care. The other thing I noticed too, sometimes the bottoms of these box coins will slide up underneath there. So I got to make sure I check underneath there. I'm going to have to go on a limb, and I'm going to guess that this is our basic membership box here. And this one will run you about $21 per month. And you want to make sure you get your orders in early because these boxes sell out very quickly, guys. That's something that I learned very early on. They sell out very, very quickly. So let's go ahead. We're going to move on now to the next box. Again, I don't know which one is which. Let's see. This one feels, yeah, this one feels heavier. I'm going to guess that this is our silver box. So this must be the beginner box, perhaps, which I don't think that they have anymore, just so you guys know. Either they have them and they sell out very quickly, or they're just gone because it's just not cost effective, I'm guessing. So let's see. The first thing we've got here, we've got another ancient Roman uncleaned coin. See, this can't really make out anything on there. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's a bummer because I like to know a little bit more about the coins. One of the things that I'll say as far as a detractor, I wish that there was some sort of an insert here that maybe told us more about the coins, or maybe an insert that had like a fun fact about one of the coins, or a piece of history about one of the coins. Just a little informational piece, you know, a little insert or something on there. That'd be pretty cool. All right, what else we got in here? What else we got in here? Got another little flip. In this here, we've got another 1 gram. And this design is, oh, cool. Check that out. A little pirate skull. Got a little knife in his head. It looks like a snake. Yeah, I got the snake. That's cool. That's a cool piece. All right. And let's get rid of the fun stuff. Oh, did I drop something? No, I didn't. There we go. Got ourselves a steel penny. These things are so cool. I never even knew about these until I got the Never Ending Coin Club boxes, and I just instantly fell in love with these. These are very cool coins. So I'm going to go out on a limb, and I'm going to say that this one was the beginner box because there was no PCGS coin in there. And then this one here is going to be the basic box because it's got the PCGS graded coin, and it also has the 90% silver dime. So this is going to be your basic box. This will be the beginner box. And this one, like I said, they don't really offer this anymore. And let's get into the silver box. All right, let's open this up. See what we got. Ooh, changing it up a bit. Here's an idea. Actually, I don't know if this is even doable, but they like to put the fun stuff in here. I like this fun stuff. Maybe each different box has a different color fun stuff in there. That's one way to do it. I don't know if that's easy to do, if that's a pain in the butt, but that's one way that you can differentiate between the boxes. Every month, same color, and we'll know what's in there. All right, so let's get into this one. Let's reach on into the silver box. Right out of the gate, I see, oh, look at this, boys and girls. Got a PCGS PR69 Deep Cameo Millard Fillmore 2010 coin. I mean, that's a $1 U.S. currency coin with the Presidential Series Millard Fillmore Professional Grading Service, the 13th President of the United States. Wow, guys, I've never seen this before. I don't know much about this. Maybe you guys do, and you want to comment down below and let me know what you think about this coin. It's definitely interesting. I definitely dig the color. I only wish it was gold. Obviously, it's not going to be gold, but that would be cool. So this is the Presidential Series, 13th President of the U.S., 1850 to 1853. And very cool. We'll set that back there. Let's see what else we got in here. A little something here. All right, we've got a... Let's see. Got a couple things in here. This is taped shut. This was actually kind of cool. One of the things that happens, like you saw in the other boxes, the coins tend to slide out of these. So by throwing on a little piece of tape like that, we're able to make sure everything stays in there. But at the end of the day, I really don't think it matters because these are not numismatic coins. It's more so just to make sure that the coins don't get lost in shipping, I guess, right? So there we go. Let's open this up. Start over here. We can get these out of the flip. All right, so we've got a super beat up Mercury Dime. I would almost go on the ledge here and say that this is a faceless Mercury Dime. It's definitely seen some better days. But nonetheless, guys, this is silver. And we got a nice looking Mercury Dime. So we got the older stepsister and the younger beauty. This one looks like 1945, and I wouldn't be able to begin to tell you what year this one's from. It looks like it's pretty much rubbed off. So we got the 2 silver dimes in there. And then we've also got the Standing Liberty, 1926. Awesome. I don't have any of these. So this would be my first one. Take a closer look there. Very cool. Still got some detail on the coin. Still got some shine in the coin. Appreciate that. What else we got in here? Oh, I see something shiny and big. What we got? What we got? All right. So this here is, let's see, God, Family, Country. I guess this would be the American flag. Yeah, there we go. And this is a 1 troy ounce, 999 fine. Look at that. 1 silver eagle. This is a generic round. And it's taped shut. Awesome. Loving that, man. Keeps this stuff from bouncing around. You know what? I'm not even going to open it up. Don't need to. I don't know what's going on with this flag. It's like it's folded on itself, I guess. The design's not the best, but you melt this down, it's silver at the end of the day, right, guys? Silver is silver, and silver is silver. See, let's get rid of the fun stuff and see if we missed anything here. So let's clean this up a bit, and then we're going to recap everything that we got, and we'll go over this one last time, guys. So let's just kind of go through it. You got the PCGS PR69 Deep Cam, 2 of the ancient Roman coins, a Millard Fillmore presidential $1 coin. You've got some 90% silver dimes, a very cool, I got to tell you guys, that is a very cool Standing Liberty. 1926. Wow, very cool. Then you got a 1 ouncer here. This is the 1 ounce generic round. That is 999 fine. A nice little steel penny, which I absolutely love those things. A couple of grams and another silver dime. So all in all, guys, this is something that you can sign up for, subscribe yourself. All these subscription boxes, for the most part, you can pretty much get at the neverendingcoin.club. There's a bunch of different price points for you. You may want the gold stuff. You may want the 5 ounce set that they got going on. But if you use the word FIRST, F-I-R-S-T at checkout, you're going to get 10% off of your first month. And don't forget, guys, if you're using PayPal and you use the code FIRST, you're also going to get a 5% lifetime discount on your subscription. That's very cool. The other thing I like to point out with these guys, Chris, the guy who runs the company, is a firefighter EMT himself, and he also offers a discount to military personnel, police officers, firefighters, medical. If you're a first responder of any kind, he takes good care of you guys. Chris is very quick to respond to emails. He's very polite and kind. He's been nothing but a gentleman to me. I got nothing but good things to say about the guy. One thing I'll definitely tell you about Chris is he listens to the subscribers. He listens to his customers. One of my problems that I had in a previous box was my coins slipping out of the flips and bouncing all around the box. That problem has been corrected. Look at that, guys. A little bit of tape goes a long way. So is it worth it? That's the $1 million question, right? Everybody wants to know, is this worth it? To me, I think it's a fun thing. I feel like a kid at Christmas when I get this stuff. So let's go through the rundown. The pluses, the minuses. What do I love? What do I hate? What do I love? I love the diversity. I love that I get to see something different every single month. Like I said, I never would have ever in my wildest dreams thought that I would have been, oopsie. I never thought that I would have been goo goo gaga over a steel penny like this. But I love the thing. Like I said, I never would have bought one of these, but because I got it in the box, I found it, I like it, and I would not be opposed to adding more of these into my stack. Now, is there like monetary value to this? A little bit. You're not going to get rich collecting these, but it's something fun. It's something different. And if you've got kids, this is definitely a win. Hands down, a big win, especially that basic box, because it's not expensive. It's not going to break the bank. You get your kid the basic box. You get yourself the silver box every month. You and your kid, you sit down, you open it up together. It's a bonding experience. And I think that's very cool. What else do I love about it? I love that they give back to the community. Never Ending Coin Club is on Instagram. They have contests, giveaways, raffles, all that sort of stuff. I love anybody that's giving back to the community. I also love the fact that these guys have 7 different subscription boxes. 7. Count them up, 7. They've got something for everybody. Whether your budget's at the high end and you're looking for gold, they've got a gold box. If you're looking for maybe 5 ounces of silver rather than a 1 ouncer, they've got a 5 ounce box. They got all sorts of stuff. And I love that. Again, diversity is one of the things that I want to keep harping on here. It's all different. There's a little bit of everything. Another thing that I love, they do custom boxes. So maybe you're thinking about giving one of these as a gift for the holidays, upcoming holiday season, guys. Think about what you want to do. They can make a custom box for you. You can give them an idea of what you're looking for and maybe have them make it for you, ship it out. It's something fun to get in the mail. One more thing that I love about these guys is that they give discounts to our first responders, active, retired. If you can prove that you're a first responder, they're going to hook you up with a 10% discount. And like I said earlier, Chris, the owner of the company, is a first responder himself. So a big thank you to you and everything that you do. It's much, much appreciated. That's for sure. I know I wouldn't be able to do it. So I'm glad somebody as bold as you or is out there, making a difference in the world. So big thumbs up to Chris for that. Now let's talk about a couple of the things that I wish were a little different, or a couple of the things that I don't like. Well, I don't like that I don't know which box is which until I open it up and try to kind of piece together which one has this or which one has that. So I don't like that. I don't like the coins that are coming like this, where there's not really any information on there. I feel like you've got a lot of real estate here. You know, you could do something. Let me know something more about the coin. Another thing that I'd like to see, not necessarily a detractor because it's just me being picky, playing devil's advocate here. I would love to see some sort of like a fun paper insert, just something in there, whether it's a historical fact about maybe one of the coins or just a fun fact about coins in general, or a breakdown of what's in the box. You know, this is the basic box, and in this box, you've got this. It'd be very cool to see something like that. That's not going to sway me to buy it or not buy it. None of that stuff's going to sway me to not go in on this stuff. I love the way that they're doing things. I love the fact that we've got all this fun stuff to go along with the coins. I mean, this stuff here can be one of the ways that we distinguish between the different boxes. But I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what you guys think. Do you love it? Do you hate it? What do you love? What do you hate? Comment down below. Give me your thoughts. And if you're already subscribed to the Never Ending Coin Club, let me know which one you're subscribed to, how long you've been subscribed, what you love and what you don't love about it. All right, guys, that's what I got for you today. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up and like the video. And that's it. I'll talk to you again real soon. Hopefully, I'll see you on Wednesday at 7 o'clock. Peace out, everybody.